promote CPA offers for free actually, and CPA marketing with free traffic that you can simply work at home. You don't need to invest any money into that, and you don't need to have a special experience or prior experience or skills. So you just need to have an internet connection, smartphone or PC, or even laptop, or only mobile can work for you that if you have. So you can definitely use this strategy and make money from that. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. But before starting the method, I just request you to hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So, and if you want full training for making money online, getting passive income, and working from home, then check out the first link in the description of this video, and you will learn each and everything, tips, tricks, strategies for making money online, getting passive income, and working from home. Check out the first link in the description. So let's begin the strategy that how it is working. The first and important thing is that you need to sign up with CPA Grip, CPA Lead, or OfferWorld if you want to make money in CPA marketing. So once you sign up, even CPA lead is a good option for you that you can simply do that. So once you sign up that you can simply log into your account. I have already logged into my account and CPA lead. So I can simply show you one offer right here. So make sure that you start it by the United States right here. So once you start it by the United States, then you can simply scroll down and you can simply see here money offers right here that you can simply choose and promote and just get the right audience for that to make a decent amount of money from that. So the main trick is right here that you need to have a special audience for each individual offer right here. But if you have money offers but you don't have the right audience, it doesn't work for you, and you will not make a single penny from your trying or working hard online. So the main strategy is that you need to have targeted offer and targeted audience right here. So here we will promote in today's video the start box right here. So you can simply just click on that. Once we click on the start box right here, we will have the app that people can simply install that. Whenever they install, we will earn the money from that. So basically they need the United States people right here to sign up, and that must be an iOS users actually that they can simply use right here. And this is the app interface right here that people can simply come right here and they can simply download. Whenever they download, so we will earn money from that. So simply they have order, then pay and earn stars uh, on this app right here, for example. So how we can do that? Once we just copy the link from here, we can simply just add into a free landing page such as Linktree or WordPress.com or uh, Blogger.com. You can simply create one page for that, and you can add the link there, and then you can simply copy that link, and then you need to go to the social media platform like Twitter. So Twitter is getting 6.8 billion free traffic source in every single month, and most of them are coming from the United States. So that's why we recommend this the Twitter for that. So the first tip on Twitter is that you need to sign up and create an individual account right here for absolutely free, similar to Starbucks coffee, and then you can embed your link right here in the website section, and then you can click on the followers right here, and you can need to follow their followers, and then they will get notification and they will also follow you. And you can also create similar, for example, images right here. You can even take it from the Facebook and other social media and re-upload to your account right here, and use the proper hashtags that people can search for that. And whenever people just come to your account right here, so they can also see the link and they can simply click on that whenever they join, so we earning the money. This is the first step right here. And another step for making money online on the start box is right here, that you can simply go to Twitter and the search bar, you can simply type it right here. For example, I want Starbucks right here. So I want Starbucks. You can simply type it right there and you can simply search. You can see many people are just requesting. My problem is I want Starbucks every day. So you can simply reply that to them or retweet them. For example, that we have a better solution if you just sign up for from my link to Starbucks right here. So you will just order and say and get stars. So when you tell people that you will get stars, so they will just think and amazing, and that way you can simply track them something that they can click on your link and they can download your app right here and their smartphone very easily. So once they download, we earn the money. So this is not one person right here. You can see multiple people and unlimited people that they want. For example, I want Starbucks. I want Starbucks. I want Starbucks. So there are multiple people that they are looking for that. And that's not only single keyword I want. You can simply use I need Starbucks. I need Starbucks apps, how to get the Starbucks, how to order the Starbucks. So these are the different keywords. You can also use the same strategy on Facebook because there are many people that they are also looking on the Facebook right here. So this strategy is working 100% if you be consistent and honest and work hard, but you don't need to invest any money into that. So basically you will make money from this specific strategy right here. So hope you like the method and strategy and that will work from there. The only requirement is that to take action on the method. If you want full training, then check out the first link in the description of this video for making money online. You will get all the pros, cons, and tips, tricks, and strategies for making money online, which will be in the first link in the description of this video. So if you like it, please hit the like button for this video as an appreciation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.